Hello, is this the hospital?
Yes, this is City Hospital. How can I help you?
A woman just collapsed on the sidewalk. I think it's a heart attack.
Stay calm. Where are you right now?
I'm on Oak Street, near the coffee shop.
Is the woman still breathing?
Yes, but her breathing is very weak.
Please check if she's conscious. Can she open her eyes?
No, she's not responding.
Keep talking to her and don't leave her side.
Okay, I'm here with her. Please send help fast.
An ambulance is already on the way to your location.
Thank you so much. Please hurry.
Stay calm. Help will arrive very soon.
Hi, honey. Are you busy?
Hey, no, I just finished work. What's up?
I was thinking about dinner tonight.
Oh, do you want to eat at home or go out?
I don't feel like cooking. Maybe we can go out.
Sure, that sounds good. Where do you want to go?
How about the new Korean BBQ place near the station?
That's perfect. I've heard it's really good.
Should we meet there at 7?
7 works for me. Do you want me to pick you up?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Okay, I'll leave the office soon.
Great. I'm excited for tonight.
Me too. It will be a nice dinner together.
Hello, dear. Are you busy?
Hi. Not really. What's going on?
I have great news today.
Really? Tell me.
I just got a promotion at work.
Wow, that's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so happy right now.
You deserve it. You worked so hard.
Should we celebrate tonight?
Yes, let's have dinner outside.
Perfect. I'll book a table.
Great. I can't wait to see you.
Hello, is this the police?
Yes, this is the police. How can I help you?
I think someone broke into my house.
Are you safe right now, sir?
Yes, I'm in the living room, with the doors locked.
Good. Can you tell me your address, please?
It's 123 Maple Street.
Officers are on the way. Do you see anyone outside?
No, but I heard a noise near the window.
Stay calm, sir. Help is coming soon.
Hello, is this Dr. Smith?
Yes, this is Dr. Smith. How can I help you?
My son is very sick. He has a high fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. How old is your son?
He is 6 years old.
Does he have any other symptoms?
Yes, he is coughing and looks very weak.
Has he eaten anything today?
Only a little soup, but he didn't want more.
I understand. Do you want me to come to your home?
Yes, please. Can you come soon?
Sure, I can be there in about 30 minutes.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Please keep him comfortable until I arrive.
Hello? Is this the fire department?
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
My neighbor's house is on fire.
Are you safe right now?
Yes, I'm outside, but the fire is big.
Can you give me the address, please?
It's 456 Oak Street.
Thank you. We're sending a team right now.
Please hurry. I'm really worried about them.
Stay calm, ma'am. Help is on the way.
Thank you so much.
Hi, do you sell stamps here?
Yes, we do. How many do you need?
Just 5, please.
Sure. Are they for letters in the U.S. or international?
4 letters in the U.S., please.
All right. That'll be $3.30.
Great. Here's the cash.
Thank you. Do you need envelopes too?
No, I already have them. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Hi. That smells really good. What are you cooking?
Thanks. These are grilled cheese sandwiches with garlic butter.
Wow. I'll take one, please.
Sure. Would you like anything on the side?
Do you have fries?
Yes, I do. Want a small or large?
Just a small one, please.
All right. That's $6 total.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy it.
These sunglasses look lovely, don't they?
Yes, they do. I think they'd suit you.
Hello. Would you like to try them on?
Oh, yes, please. Do you have them in black as well?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Those black ones look really stylish.
They feel light, too. How much are they?
They are £25 and they come with a case.
That's a fair price. Are you going to get them?
I think I will. They're perfect for summer.
Good morning. Do you have vitamin C?
Good morning. Yes, we have it. Do you want tablets or syrup?
I think tablets, please. How much is it?
It's about $5 for one bottle.
That's good. How many tablets are inside?
There are 50 tablets in one bottle.
Great. I'll take one. Can I also get vitamin D?
Of course, we have it too. Do you want the small or big bottle?
The small one, please.
All right, here you go. Please take them with water after meals.
Hi, Jack. What did you get for lunch today?
I got a chicken sandwich and some fruit. How about you?
I got pasta and a salad. Do you like the cafeteria food?
Sometimes. It's okay. What's your favorite lunch here?
I like the pizza on Fridays. Do you bring lunch from home?
Not often. My mom is too busy. Do you think today's food tastes good?
Yes, it's better than yesterday. Do you want to sit outside?
Sure, let's go. It's nice and sunny today.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing fine. What are you doing right now?
I'm just watching a movie at home, nothing special.
That sounds nice. What movie are you watching?
It's a comedy, it's really funny.
Do you want to hang out later?
Sure, maybe we can get coffee.
Great idea. What time is good for you?
Let's meet at 4 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
Hey, Mike. How you doing?
Hi, John. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Sure. That sounds fun. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we can grab some coffee and talk.
Coffee sounds great. Where should we meet?
How about the cafe near the park?
Perfect. What time works for you?
Let's say 3 p.m. on Saturday.
Deal. I'll see you then, John.
Hey, Sarah. How are you? Got any plans for the weekend?
Hi, Mark. I'm good, thanks. Not yet. What about you?
I was thinking of going to the new food market downtown. Want to join?
That sounds fun. What day are you going?
Saturday afternoon, maybe around 2 p.m.?
Perfect. Should we meet there or go together?
Let's meet at the bus stop near my house.
Great idea. Do I need to bring anything?
Just your appetite. They have amazing street food.
Can't wait. Thanks for inviting me.
Hello. Are you the taxi driver I booked?
Yes, sir. Are you Mr. Daniel?
That's right. I was waiting in front of the restaurant.
Great. Where would you like to go?
To the Graham City Hotel, please.
Sure. It's about 15 minutes from here.
The weather is nice for a drive.
Yes, it is. Let's get going.